Good day. So I've got my Busa reassembled. Took it for a short test run. Torque the connections a bit, make sure there's no leakage. That's how that steel brake line looks off the master cylinder. Down here on the right side, looks like that. And the crossover underneath, like that. And on the left side, here's how the connection looks. And it brakes quite smooth, as expected. So what this bike needs, good brakes once you get it wound up. So one last thing to do is to replace this rubber hydraulic line with the stainless steel Galfer braided line. That's for another day. And the Galfer rotors look great. Just like that. Okay, thanks for watching.